remains pure and clear. Nebulous storms raging within, yet choosing mercy over sin. Chains of fate, yet freedom's key. Protect the weak courageously. Holding pain, yet you won't break. Bound in chains, but not enslaved. Strength from kindness shining bright. Gentle spirit, endless fight. Andromeda Shun, your chains entwine. Fighting fears with heart divine. Warrior gentle, strength untold. In compassion, bravery bold. Assailants fall, but you will rise. Armor bright beneath the skies. Andromeda Shun, hero true. The power of peace flows through you. When chaos claims you stand apart, victory found through a loving heart. Chains forged in stars, destiny spun. Bravery quiet, battle won. Break your silence, unleash the storm, yet never losing who you are. Nebulous soaring, emotions roar. Kindness your weapon, forevermore. Andromeda Shun, your chains entwine. Fighting fears with heart divine. Warrior gentle, strength untold. In compassion, bravery bold. Evil fall while you rise. Armor bright beneath the skies. Andromeda Shun, hero true. The power of peace flows through you. Chains of hope, a gentle call. Compassion conquers, stronger than all. Andromeda Shun, forever bright. Peaceful warrior, endless light.